Chapter 3 Defense, the three questions that make or break you. Chapter 3 ang pinaka-technical at dito nahuhuli kung researcher ka ba talaga o tagasunod lang. Una, why this research design? Halimbawa, descriptive correlational ka. Sabihin mo, we use descriptive correlational design because the study aims to determine the relationship between variables without manipulating them. Pangalawa, why this sampling method? Kung purposive sampling ka, explain. Participants were selected based on specific criteria aligned with the objectives. Pangatlo, why this is statistical tool? Bakit Pearson R? Because both variables are continuous and we are measuring degree of relationship. Hindi sapat na alam mo yung term. Dapat alam mo kung bakit yun ang ginamit mo at paano siya connected sa objectives mo. Kapag malinaw ang logic mo from objectives to method to analysis, buo ang study mo. Methodology is your armor. Kapag naiintindihan mo ang proseso, hindi ka basta-basta mababasag. Thank you, my dear researchers.